Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to change currency in Facebook ad account. Like if you have mistakenly selected any other currency which doesn't belongs to you and previously in past, then how to switch your currency of ad account. Then as you can see, I'm into my ads manager, and here we are into the campaign section. You just need to visit the billings and payments. I have clicked on this. Okay, I'm into my billing section of the ad account. We need to scroll down, and here there is an option of business info. You just simply need to click on add it. Here you need to change your time zone and currency both, as Meta knows in which time zone which currency is used. So if you have mistakenly selected any currency, like as you can see Japanese yen and Chinese yuan, or like USD, then whatever the currency you have selected mistakenly, you can simply select the right currency and the right time zone, and can simply click on save to change the currency of your ad account. So it was how you can change the currency of your ad account. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website and explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.